The SIR row in Bengal has escalated, with Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Leader of Opposition Suvendu Adhikari shooting off letters to Chief Election Commissioner. In her letter, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee highlighted that continuing the SIR drive will endanger lives, as there has been no clear communication from day one regarding the documentation and critical gaps that exist in training. She urged the CEC to halt the SIR drive. On the other hand, Suvendu Adhikari emphasized that there is systemic fraud under the TMC regime and called it an assault on democracy. The Trinamool Congress retorted on BJP's charge, stating that CEC should take responsibility and alleged that the electoral body is highly influenced by the BJP and acting at their behest. Meanwhile, the Election Commission sent a show-cause notice to 7 BLOs in Kolkata over poor performance in terms of digitization of data from the enumeration forms and has sought a response by today.
सत्ता जाने का डर है। सत्ता जाने से तो इतना करप्शन किया, उनका पूरा मंत्रिसभा जेल में जाएगा, टीएमसी का गुंडाराज खत्म हो जाएगा, लगातार जिस तरह से घुसपैठिया आना बंद हो जाएगा, नौकरी बेचना, टाटा को भगाना, ये सब काम बंद हो जाएगा जो पिछले 15 साल में यहाँ किया है। 1 करोड़ से ज्यादा वोटर डिलीट हो जाएगा तो ममता बनर्जी कैसे जीतेगी? डेथ वोटर, फेक वोटर और बांग्लादेशी मुस्लिम घुसपैठिया, रोहिंग्यास, उनका सपोर्ट से उनका है। बीजेपी का साथ तो अंतर ज्यादा नहीं है, 22 लाख का अंतर है।
CEC is surely influenced by, highly influenced by Bharatiya Janata Party, and as a result of that, in one side, the common citizens, they came into tremendous pressure and committing suicides, as well as the BLOs. They are facing huge problems, and with proper importance to Honorable CM's letter, they should analyze the situation and reconsider their process.
2200 kilometers is not just fencing. Hundreds of kilometers are without fencing. There are jungles, there are rivers, there are mountains. And even if blame is put on the BSF and the Home Ministry, some BSF may be corrupt. But these people in lakhs who have come into West Bengal, they have got all documents. Who has provided them with all documents? Mamata Banerjee, Police Minister, Chief Minister, Home Minister, she doesn't know where such people are coming from, where are they staying, where are their documents?
Ritvik now joining me live on that story. Ritvik, we just broken news here on Breaking Ground that Abhishek Banerjee will be chairing a key meet, and there will be a lot of face-offs that we should expect ahead of the 9th of next month.
Well, definitely what we are given to understand that, the Trinamool Congress Party, in order to put more pressure on the Election Commission, now they have lodged several allegations. Remember, yesterday West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee wrote a letter to the Chief Election Commissioner seeking an immediate halt of the entire ongoing SIR exercise in the state of West Bengal. And now the TMC has decided to address its party men across the length and breadth of the party. And Abhishek Banerjee is set to address a virtual meeting, next week, and in which the prime issues will remain SIR and the Motua vote bank. Remember, places in Bengal where Motua community people dominate, that's being a major concern as per the SIR.
We'll have to interrupt you there. I believe BJP's Gaurav Bhatia is speaking on this issue. Let's cut across.
बताते हैं तो ये कांग्रेस के शासन में हुई। क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें लगता था ये घुसपैठिया, जिसका धर्म एक ऐसा धर्म है जो उनको वोट करता है, ये उनकी सोच थी, इसलिए इन्हें आने दो। सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने कहा ये राष्ट्र की सुरक्षा के लिए खतरा है, ये जो लोकल डेमोग्राफी है, जो कल्चर है, संस्कृति है, उसे नष्ट करते हैं, और उसके बाद आदेश पारित किया। आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने, गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी ने सुनिश्चित किया कि जो बॉर्डर पे फेंसिंग होती है, जो बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स रहती है, ये घुसपैठियों को आने ना दे, पहली बात। दूसरा, हम प्रतिबद्ध हैं, एक एक घुसपैठी, जो भी घुसपैठिया होगा, भारत से बाहर जाएगा। और कुछ पिटीशन सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अभी भी हैं लंबित, सबका ध्यान रखते हुए ये कार्रवाई मजबूती से जल्द होगी। लेकिन घुसपैठियों से प्रेम दिखाना, उनके हक की बात करना, जबकि भारतीय नागरिकों का हक का हनन करते हैं, ये चिंताजनक है, जिसपे ममता बनर्जी, राहुल गांधी, अखिलेश यादव, अरविंद केजरीवाल को बोलना चाहिए।